Hello, in this video I will show you how to start a NextJS project and deploy it on AWS EC2 instance with Appliku. First, open your terminal. Run npx create next app at latest. Give your project a name and answer some setup questions. If you don't know what they mean, keep the default values. Switch to project directory. Run command npm run dev to start the project locally. Open the localhost link in the browser. Great, it works. Now go back to the terminal and stop it by pressing Ctrl+C. Initialize Git repository, add all files, and make the initial commit. Go to github.com and create a new repository. Give it a name. For this tutorial I will make the repo public, but for your projects you should probably keep it private. Scroll down and click on Create Repository. Scroll down and copy the git remote add line, switch to the terminal and paste it. Then copy and paste the git push command as well. Refresh the GitHub page and you will see your files there. Go to Appliku dashboard. Click on the Servers menu link, click Add Server and choose AWS. Select the region and instance type and click Create EC2 instance. Appliku will create an EC2 instance in your AWS account and perform the setup. Wait for it to be completed. If server creation fails, check the Setup Logs tab to find the reason. When the server setup is finished, we can create an app. Click on Applications menu, then Add Application. Select GitHub. Give your app a name, select repository branch, the server we have just created, and click Create Application. Now we need to go to Settings and set Build Image to Node20 yarn and build command yarn build. Scroll the page down and click Save Changes. Now scroll up and click on the Processes tab. Add a process called Web and command npm run start and click Save and Deploy. The deployment will start. Click on the deployment number to see the progress in logs. When deployment is finished, click on the app name to go to the overview page. Click Open App and then click the domain name. Congrats, your NextJS app is deployed on AWS EC2 instance with Appliku. Additionally, in the app settings, you can further customize your app deployment, set environment variables, add more processes, persistent volumes, add custom domains, use webhook to manually trigger deployments, set up cron jobs, and more. Appliku can easily deploy multiple apps per server, support a variety of popular databases, handles backups, and simplifies scaling if your app needs to grow beyond a single server. Thanks for watching and happy deploying with Appliku!